Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of class 6, I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm also fine. Thank you very much. This is Khalilur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Ideal School and College, Bonusri English version, day shift. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to discuss about the remaining portion of ratios and percentage. In last class I discussed about ratios and percentage from exercise 2.2. Today I am going to discuss the remaining portion. So I think you have to stay with me. You will stay with me and enjoy the class. So let's start our class, and I would like to request one thing: don't send any unnecessary comments. Sometimes you are throwing sticker or unnecessary comments which disturbs the class. So I would like to request, if you have no question, no need to send any comments, just you observe the class. If you have question, just only send. Sometimes you are gossiping with each other, so I think you have to stop it. Okay, don't gossip with each other, just observe the class. Okay, and don't send any sticker. Okay, I am requesting you, don't send any sticker. Okay, let's start our class and enjoy mathematics. Okay, my dear students of class 6, okay. My dear students, can you see everything and can you hear me? I'm going to discuss about ratios and percentage from exercise 2.2, which is available in page 59. Okay, so you have to open your you have to take your book and open page 59. In last class we did up to 7, and I have given you little bit homework. Okay, today I'll start from number 10. Am I right? Okay, let's go to enjoy the class. You see 10 number, what is written here? In a school there are 800 students. Okay, at the beginning of the year, if 5% new students get admitted, what is the number of students at present in that school? 5% new students get admitted. That means out of 800, 5% student. Okay, I mean out of 100 there is 5. Out of 800, what will be? You have to find out at first. So first you have to write what is given here, 10 number. Given from 9. Okay, after solving 10 I will solve 9. Okay, since I have started it. Okay, given in a school there are 800 students. There are 800 students. At the beginning of the year, if 5% new students get admitted, new students, admitted, then the number of students get admitted, equals to 5% of okay, after solving 10 I will solve 9. Okay, 5% of 800 students. So it will be what? 5 by 100 into 800. You may cut it. 8 equals to 40 students. Am I right? So the number students, we have to find what is the number of students at present in that school. So the number of students at present in the school, number of students at present in the school you see there were 800 students and newly admitted 40, so it will be 840. Answer 840 students. Have you understood? Okay, now I am solving 9 number. Okay, you see 9 number, what is written here? All are same. The monthly school fees of Shoaib are taka 200. Okay, it will be your homework. Okay, the monthly school fees of Shoaib are taka 200. His mother gives him taka 20 as tiffin expense. Okay, what is the percentage of expenditure for his daily tiffin to the monthly school fees? Okay, you have to find the percentage of daily tiffin. Daily tiffin 20 and monthly school fees 200. So 200 will be denominator and 20 will be numerator. Then you have to convert it into percentage. Okay, so at first you have to write what is given here. Now I am writing what is given here. You see 8 number, sorry 9 number. Given the monthly school fees of Shoaib, the monthly school fees of Shoaib are taka 200. Okay, the monthly school fees of Shoaib are taka 200. His mother gives him taka 20 as tiffin expense. Okay, I'm showing as okay, the monthly school fees of Shoaib are taka 200. His mother gives him taka 20 as tiffin expense. So the percentage of expenditure for his daily tiffin to the monthly school fees equals to 20 by 200 into 100 percentage. Okay, now cut it, it will be what? You cut it, it will be 2, am I right? And if I cut it, it will be 10. So the result will be 10%. Have you understood, my dear students of class 6? So what will be the result? 10%. Have you understood? You see, okay, and 10 number, you see what I have written here. First I have written, given in a school there are 800 students. What is given I have to write here at first. So I have written here, at the beginning of the year, if 5% new students get admitted, then the number of students get admitted 5% of 800. So 5% means 5 by 100 into 800. If I cut it, it will be 100 into 8, 800. So there will be 8, 5 8 is 40 students. So previous there were 800 students in the school and newly admitted 40. So the total number of students at present 800 plus 40. So answer will be 840 students. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to solve 11 number, my dear students. See 11 number, what is written here. In a class, 5% students were absent out of 200 students. Okay, out of 200 students, 5% student absent. That means very easy. You see, 5% means out of 100, 5 students were absent. So out of 200, how many students will be absent? 10 students, 5 and 5. Okay, so how many students were present? So if you subtract 10 from 200, you will get the number of present students. Okay, a picture will be given after the class, so don't worry. So I am going to write at first what is given here. You see 11 number, given in a school, %5 students were absent out of 200 students. So the number of absent student, so the number of absent student equals to 5% of 200. Am I right? So it will be 5 by 100 into 200. If I cut it, it will be 2, 5 2s are 10. So 10 students are absent. So now very easy it is find to number of present student. So the number of present students equals to 200 minus 10 equals to 190. Answer 190 students. Okay. Okay. So I think you have understood. Have you understood? Okay. Then 12 number. Now I am going to write 12 number. You see what is written here in 12 number. Jayed buying a book at 10% commission gave Taka 180 to the shopkeeper. What is the actual price of the book? Okay, what is the actual price of the book? 10% commission. That means if the actual price is Taka 100, then Jahid will give how much? 90. 10% commission. So out of 200, he will give 20 Taka less. Okay, that means the actual price of the book, it will be 200. Okay, so first you have to write what is given here. You see 12 number. Okay, Jayed buying a book at 10% commission, gave টাকা 180 to the shopkeeper. Okay, so at 10% commission, at 10% commission, if the actual price of the book was টাকা 100, if the actual price of the book was টাকা 100, then Jayed gave টাকা 100 minus 10 equals to টাকা 90. If now you can do it in unitary method. If Jayed gave টাকা 90, then actual price টাকা 100. If Jayed gave টাকা 1, then what is the actual price? If Jayed gave টাকা 180, then actual price. Okay, I'm going to write here, if টাকা 90, then actual price be টাকা 100. Okay, if Jayed gave টাকা 90, then actual price be টাকা 100. So if Jayed gave টাকা 1, then actual price be টাকা 100 by 90. It will be less. Am I right? Okay, so how much Jayed gave? টাকা 180. It is given in the book. Okay, so if Jayed gave, if টাকা 180, then actual price be টাকা 100 into 180 by 90. It will be more. Okay, this for one at this one, and 180 টাকা, for 180 টাকা it will be more. Okay, now you may cut it 2, so it will be টাকা 200. Have you understood? Okay, so what is the result? The actual price of the book was টাকা 200. So the actual price of the book was টাকা 200. Okay, can you see everything clear? Answer টাকা 200. Okay, and turn your page, last one. Okay. Last one you see, that is a creative, an important creative. Okay, so what is written here, you see, due to 14 whole 2 by 7% fall in the price, 10 more bananas are available at Taka 420. Okay, what you will get previous, you will get now after falling the price 14 whole 2 by 7%, you will get 10 more bananas. Okay, okay. 12 number, so easy. 10% commission, that means discount. 10% commission means discount. So 10% commission, that means if out of 100 you will get 10 taka discount, 10 taka commission, that means you will give taka 90. If you get 10% commission, then you will give taka 90. So if you give taka 180, then what will be the actual price of the book? Okay, so now I am going to solve 12 number, 13 number. Okay, 13a. You see, first you have to find if 14 whole 2 by 7% of a number is 10, determine the number. Okay, let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. According to the question, according to the question, (14 whole 2 by 7% of a number). What is the number? Okay, the number is x. So it will be taka 10. Okay, it is given in the book. You see, 14 whole 2 by 7% of a number is 10. So we consider the number as x. So I have written here 14 whole 2 by 7% of x equals to 10. Okay, now you see, or it will be 14 into 7, it will be what? 99. Or 90 in 4 7 is 98. 98 in 2, it will be 100. Okay, so 100 by 7 into percentage means per 100, that means 1 by 100, of means into x equals to 10. You see, you can cut it 100 100, it will be 1 1, or x by 7 equals to 10, or x equals to 10 into 7, or x equals to 70. Okay, so the required number is 70. So the required number is 70. Answer 70. Is it clear? Have you understood? The result will be 70. I mean the number will be 70. Okay. And someone request me to show the previous page. You see the previous page. Okay. And now I am going to solve number B. Okay. B number, you see what is written. What is the price of 1 dozen banana at present? Okay. What is the price of 1 dozen banana at present? Okay. Now I am going to solve B number. See. B number. So at first you have to write what is given. Given due to 14 hole 2 by 7% fall in the price, 10 more bananas are available at Taka 420. Okay, you see 14, I have written here, due to 14 hole 2 by 7% fall in the price, 10 more bananas are available at Taka 420. So the price of 10 bananas, so the price of the bananas fall তাহলে total টাকা 420 and fall 14 hole 2 by 7%, that means 14 hole 2 by 7% of টাকা 420. Okay, now it will be 100 by 7 into 1 by 100 into 420 টাকা. You cut it 100 and you may cut it 6 7s are 42 and it will be 60. So you see 60 taka fall. Am I right? 60 taka fall. So what will be the price of 10 bananas? Taka 60, and you have to find the price of 1 dozen bananas. Okay, so the price of 10 bananas, because you get 10 bananas more due to fall, so the price of 10 bananas be taka 60. Okay, we know 1 dozen equals to how many items? Do you know 1 dozen equals to how many items? Sorry, 1 dozen equals to 12 items. Okay, you know 1 dozen equals to 12 items. Now the price of 10 bananas is taka 60. So the price of 1 banana is taka will be less, so it will be divide. Am I right? The price of 12 bananas is taka 60 into 12 by 10. If I cut it, it will be 6. So what will be the result? 6 12s are 72. Okay, answered. To write one line more. Price of 1 dozen banana is taka 72. Answer taka 72. Have you understood? My dear students of class 6, okay, and last one, C number will be your homework. Okay, to make a profit of 33 whole 1 by 3%, what should be the selling price of 1 dozen banana? Very easy. I mean, you have to add it 33 whole 1 by 3%. I mean, out of 100 you will get the profit eto. Okay, you have to find the out of 72 what will be your profit. Okay, so what will be your homework? Number C. Okay, your homework will be from exercise 2.2. you will solve CW plus 12C. Okay, so I think you enjoy the class. Inshallah, see you again next week, same time. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.